How to find story replies settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find story replies settings on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram and now click here on your profile in the bottom corner, and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find privacy. Click on it and then just click story and scroll down. As you see here you will find it allow message replies, and here you can make it for everyone or only from people you follow, and that's how to manage it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.